Today we're sipping on the Cucumber Mint G&T. This is a cool and refreshing cocktail. It's honestly giving me spa vibes.
100%. The cucumber flavor in this cocktail is so intense that you would think we juiced an entire cucumber directly into this cocktail, but we did not. Okay, what we're using today is actually the Fever Tree Cucumber Tonic Water. We are obsessed.
Shower me in this, will ya? So Fever Tree actually has a variety of flavors. If you guys wanna check them out and get them delivered to your door, head over to bottleover.com.
So let's dive into this cocktail.
Yeah.
Grab a shaker and then add a ½ ounce of lemon juice. Next, we're gonna go in with our sweetener. We're going to be adding a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Today we're using Bombay Sapphire as our gin. We're going in with 1.5 ounces.
You're gonna top this off with 3 ounces of cucumber tonic water. Now garnish this with a mint sprig and a cucumber peel.
Wrap it around your glass.
It's a vibe. Delicious. 10 out of 10. If you're a gin and tonic type of gal, this is the drink for you.
It's so good. Honestly, like it's going down like water. It's too easy.
Yeah.
This is also a great poolside cocktail. I feel light and refreshed, like I just left the spa.
That's right.
Like, this is how I feel.
Literally.
Drinking these.
I can't talk right now.
Okay.
I can't talk right now.